Flatbridge, Jamaica. Yes, Rio Cobre River. Another dramatic rescue as another car plunges in the mysterious flatbridge at the Rio Cobre. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. Rastafari, so that you have Deeproots TV. If it is your first time tuning into the Rastaman channel, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. Give me a thumbs up, help build up the Rastaman panel. As high drama occurs at the Rio Cobre River again, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, flat bridge. I want to find out how many vehicles have to go over before the Minister of Transportation take a look at this drama. There has been high drama in St Catherine after a man who was driving his car veered off flat bridge and plunged into the Rio Cobre River. The incident triggered a high level of panic as persons in the area tried to save the driver. After several minutes, the driver was pulled to safety, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the video as we watch another driver shortly or miss losing their life by inches. As you notice, there was a person sitting there on the side of the bridge. Appeared like there was fishing, if you could see under the tree limb, and he was or she was missed by inches. We have to look into this situation, ladies and gentlemen, see what we could do. There have to be engineers that could help fix this situation. The incident is documented to have occurred around 4:54 p.m. middle of the evening where the sun is shining. The video have obtained many views online showing that the vehicle was going across the bridge when it appeared that the man lost control of the vehicle. Imagine this, ladies and gentlemen. Can you believe this? From I was a little baby tot, I've been hearing about this. Now, the video did not show of anyone fatally being injured, but the result of this accident, Bagwalk was gridlocked for several hours. The vehicle has since been recovered with the efforts of residents and authorities. This is the second such incident this year. Monday, January 27th, a man escaped serious injuries after a car was being towed by a truck and it ran off the narrow location of the bridge in the water. The flat bridge runs across Rio Cobre, connecting Jamaica's capital, Kingston, and the old parish of Spanish Town with the northern coast and the tourist area. It is one of the oldest bridges in Jamaica. Calls have been made for several years for a new modern bridge to be built in the area, given the frequent accident and the importance of this location, because people are still crossing the Rio Cobre on the flat bridge. Can you believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, in 2025, as I noted, there have been 2 incidents already, and it's just middle of February, January 27th. Another vehicle seems to have been towed by another vehicle, seems to veer off, ladies and gentlemen. The vehicle has since been recovered from the Rio Cobre River with help from residents and authorities. But imagine this, ladies and gentlemen, someone could have been seriously hurt from this incident. I can't believe that we are still having this situation. From me barn, leave your comment on this, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know why we have not fixed this problem as yet. Why Jamaica not fix this problem? Thank God that no one got seriously injured. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deeproots TV, reporting live. Flat bridge again. A vehicle ran off flat bridge and plunged into the Rio Cobre River. once again, second such incident for the year. More life and more joy and more happiness. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Big up all the people them.
Big up Deeproots TV, is it? Big up everybody for the Deeproots TV, my fam. Up. Deeproots TV.
What me I say? This is Stash speaking. Big up Deeproot, the top boss, the peanut boss. Want big up Carwell. Want big up everybody, my friend them, my linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
Deeproots TV.
Deeproots TV.
Real TV.
Deeproot TV. Big up yourself.
Deeproots TV.